Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of a laptop, the Lenovo V15 G2 ITL, which is this new computer from Lenovo, in case you need to replace the battery because it's not working or drains very quickly. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. To open the computer, you need to remove the screws and unhook all the tabs. If you have difficulty doing this, I have a video on my channel showing how to open this computer without breaking anything. Since I already done that, I just reveal the inside of the computer. This is the battery. It's a Lenovo battery, model L20M2PF0, if you want to search about this model. But before removing the battery, let's disconnect it from the motherboard, which is this connector here. Just pull and it disengages from the connector. The battery is already disconnected and now we are going to remove 6 screws. These 2 screws secure the battery and the drive holder. I will need a screwdriver. Let's start on this side. We take this screw out. Keep the screws in an orderly way because some have different sizes, and later you will need to place each of the screws in the correct place. We have a screw behind this connector. Move it aside. Remove the screw without affecting the connector. This screw is shorter. We take out the 4th screw now. And now we have these 2 screws, which both hold the metal holder of the drive, but also holds the battery. So we also remove these screws and we are going to place them here on the side in order to know the position where they belong. We've already removed the 6 screws. Now we're lifting the drive support because it's fitted with the battery, and with that side disengaged, and pull it for it to disengage from the slot shared with the drive support. And here it is, completely removed from the computer. This is the laptop battery. It's a Lenovo battery, model L20M2PF0. It's a Lenovo proprietary battery and specially for this computer model. And that's how you remove the battery. In case the battery doesn't last long or is broken, and you want to replace it to have a full charge again when you use the computer. Then you go buy a new battery and the installation process is reversed. Let's bring the computer. We will raise the drive support, but we can remove this support completely. We just have to remove 2 more screws for that, but it's not necessary. We just fit it under the support. It is in this position and we lower it on the right side. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Now let's put the screws in whatever order we want. I'll do it in a reverse order, starting with the last one we took out, the 1st screw. Now the 2nd screw, one by one. Now the 3rd one, which is shorter than the others, so it has to be in this specific hole. Otherwise, it will not be properly secured. The 4th screw, only 2 more screws to go. Now the 5th screw, just 1 more, and now the last screw. 6 screws that are needed to secure the battery. And the battery is installed and secured. All that remains is to connect the power connector. We take the plug and we connect it to the connector on the motherboard. It has to be in this position with the grooves facing upwards to enter the grooves on the metallic connector. We push it all the way in and it's connected. And this is how you replace the battery in this computer, the Lenovo V15 G2 ITL. This is the process, simple and easy to repair. Then just put the lid back on and your computer is ready to work with a new battery. I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn how to replace your battery, because it's always better to repair your computer than just buy a new computer and create more electronic waste. And check out the other videos on the channel about repairing other components on this computer. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. If this video helped, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this computer or batteries for portable computers, write in the comments.